Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel order as a seller. If you want to cancel your order as a seller but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are a seller on Whatnot and you want to cancel the order but you don't know how to do it, then make sure to watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Whatnot app. So simply open the Whatnot app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Whatnot, and after logging into your Whatnot you just need to click on the option of activity. So if you are a seller, you'll see the option of sales instead of purchase. So currently this is my buyer account, my seller account is in hold. So you just need to click on the option of orders, which you'll find under the profile icon, or you'll find it under the activity center, and you just need to find the order you want to cancel, and you just need to tap on the order and you'll see the option of cancel order. So click on the option of cancel order and you need to choose a cancellation reason for it. For example, you'll see the option of item damage, out of stock, buy request, and all of it. So after giving a specific reason, you just need to tap on the option of confirm and the order will be cancellation. And the important note is that you must cancel before the shipping once if the cancellation isn't possible, and frequent cancellation may affect your seller account and may also lead to ban. So that's it. That's how you can cancel the order as a seller on Whatnot. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.